Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming the essentials. Both devices on the same network and the TV's mirroring input enabled. Once the TV is ready, unlock your Vivo and go to Settings, then Wi-Fi and Network, and open Cast or Smart Mirroring. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi is active even if you plan to use mobile data. Tap the Cast option and watch the phone scan for available displays. This is where discovery and pairing begin, so stay on this screen until the TV appears in the list. Once the TV appears, tap its name to initiate the connection. You will often see a permission prompt on both the phone and the TV. Grant screen and audio permissions on the TV so the phone can mirror visuals and sound. This step prevents black screens or muted playback. If the TV supports Chromecast, you can alternatively open the Google Home app and choose either full screen cast or individual app casting. Make sure you keep the phone unlocked and the cast screen visible until mirroring starts. Otherwise, the session may fail to establish. To finish, open the cast menu on your Vivo and tap disconnect, or use the TV's stop command. Screen mirroring consumes extra battery and processing power, so you may want to plug your phone in. If you experience lag, stuttering, or frequent disconnects, switch Wi-Fi bands to 5 GHz for less interference, or reboot the router and retry. These actions clear network congestion. If wireless still fails, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter for a direct connection. This bypasses network issues and gives a stable, low-latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.